I've always felt a strong separation from my family in China. They live everywhere from the largest cities to the smallest villages in Guangdong province. Hopefully, learning more about my great-grandfather will bring me closer to this side of my family.
这些苦难呢，我都不晓得，也没有办法替他来分担，所以我一直觉得是非常非常遗憾。
我那時候唔係聽過阿公講頭嘅，佢聽人家講。
阿公做嘛？ไม่ชวนพ่อมึงเสือกี่ดา
อยากกัน就係阿公嚟做嘅。
According to my family, in many villages he was the first native Chinese Christian evangelist anyone had ever seen.